Materials Connect is our cloud-based data management solution. It makes material data accessible to all its consumers from a single and central repository. The database is very intuitive to use and allows you to easily manage and configure the visualization of material data according to your own preferences. With this quick overview, you can see how easily you can configure the presentation of data in the user interface. You can select material properties to define what data is presented and displayed as columns in the database, and save that configuration to refer back to it at any point in time. The columns configuration can be labeled and easily switched from one configuration to another. Of course, a key aspect is how to get data into Materials Connect. An Excel template is available for flexible import of your material data from a wide variety of data types and formats. The Excel template is provided and can be downloaded from the Materials Connect environment. It has a predefined layout where the first sheet gives you detailed instructions as to how to enter data in the Excel workbook. You can define data attributes, for example, what is the name of the material, what is the container or the data bank in which that material should be collected. Then, you can define data properties for each material, including measured values for each of the records either as numerical values with associated units, or as data parameters, potentially linking to individual curves where you have x and y point pairs that describe the data with some dependency of strain, temperature, time, or anything else of interest. Each data curve has a reference of a unique curve ID. Once that Excel file is created, you can import the data into Materials Connect by simply selecting and uploading the Excel file. The material data become immediately available within the database. The intuitive interface allows to quickly identify the material of interest thanks to advanced search and filtering capabilities. General searches can be executed for a particular keyword of interest, which you can then add to the column view. Similar to the columns configuration, you can save the filter configuration on the left-hand side very easily, so you're able to have that as a predefined filter configuration that you can refer back to at any point in time. In addition to any pre-existing filter, you can also filter by material properties and narrow down the selection to identify your material of interest. Once a material is selected, you can view all the detailed information for that record, which is displayed with appropriate categorization of properties and with flexibility in the order in which data is listed. You can interactively visualize imported data curves and parameters to unlock data-driven insights.